Hi guys, so let's do my morning skincare routine. Can you see that glow? So keep watching. Okay, so here I'm using the Tint by Benefit Cosmetics on the shade Her. Hi guys, what's up? My mood and my energy level is like meh because I'm on my periods. So yeah. Hi everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Long time no see. I'm here again. There are so many vlogs that are pending that I am still not getting time to edit them all out. So my YouTube channel now is like like that. I got this new pimples because when my partner comes, often we eat good food, and good food means, for Bengalis, a whole lot of rice and khashir mangsho, mutton curry, anything carbs and sugary, I get a new pimple. Anyway, so yeah, let's do my skincare routine. I hope while filming this self-care process, I hope I'm gonna feel a little better. Let's get started. This beautiful gold body chain is gifted by my mother-in-law. Thank you, ma. So here's a little ruby stone, and here is another. Okay, so for shaving my mustache, I'm using this Conscious Chemist Snail Magic Barrier Cream. It's almost like finished, so I kind of use it to shave my mustache. Sometimes this process of self-love like really heals, really heals a woman's mental health. Like my mustache, they grow so fast. I mean, since I got like few new pimples here and there, so I'm gonna use this mask by Benefit again. It's called the Professional Deep Retreat Pore Cleansing Clay Mask. Really satisfying to like look at it. By the way, I'm gonna use my fingers because apparently it is more clean than the brush. Ooh. I feel a very cooling sensation on my skin. I have a lot of blackheads and whiteheads on my nose. Like guys, can I share something weird with you guys? Like, trust me, I don't understand this mask thing. Honestly, like I don't like to do like 9-step skincare routine, 8-step skincare routine. Like I'm a very simple gal, and like with 3 or maximum 4 products, I am good to go. But since I get them in my PR, so I have them and they are kind of good, and I don't want to waste them only when I'm making a video or something. Otherwise, like I have gifted my skincare products and my makeup products to so many of my friends and my colleagues, like I don't hoard my PR products, and sometimes they expire and they get wasted. So better you gift your unused products to someone who might actually need it rather than wasting them away. If you like my content, like please do subscribe or like or comment so I get a little bit inspiration to actually continue, because trust me guys, editing long form content shot on a good camera and edited like professionally, like this is my computer setup anyway, like it takes so much effort and time. So unless I get something in return from you guys, some love, some appreciation, like otherwise it really gets boring for me as well. So I'm gonna let it settle down for some minute and then wash it off. That is my another chair. I mean, it was in the background since the start. Now, looks better. See, I'm already feeling a little energetic because self-care for women is therapeutic. Is it not? Feeling good, feeling good, feeling good. So it's been like 10 to 15 minutes. It's almost dry. Like it's literally like 90% dry. So I'm gonna be using this bamboo cotton pad by Russ Luxury Oils. It's like really soft. So dip it into the water and then just it's quite a hectic work. So it's like a self-care Sunday, I guess. Self-care, like my self-care Sunday vlog. I'm actually imagining the title. Like my skin actually feels quite clean. My skin actually feels like quite cooled down. Cooled down. I feel good. I feel good. Okay, now let's go ahead with cleanser. I also got it in my PR. It's by the brand Mixsoon. It's called the Centella Cleansing Foam. So Centella Shitika is a very calming and soothing ingredient. Like if you have acne prone skin and like you are often using actives to treat your acne, in that way sometimes our skin barrier gets like really compromised, hence more irritation. So in that case, Centella Shitika or Sika really helps. By the way, I really love the cleanser, guys. My skin feels so supple and soft. Like, I'm not bragging, trust me. Like, I'm really grateful that I get to try so many good skincare products, but this one is like really different. The sun is like literally hitting on my face, and I'm so sorry that I look washed out. I don't have the energy to, pull down the curtains so I can set the studio lights. Get this on Tira. The link is in my description below. Like, I feel so good. My skin feels so good. Anyway, my lipstick is all gone, so I'm gonna put it again. It's my life. It's now or never. Since it's Sunday, so I'm gonna take a little extra care of my skin. So I'm gonna exfoliate my skin as well. So I'm gonna use these FCL Pentapill pads with mandelic acid, phytic acid, lactic acid, salicylic acid, and hyaluronic acids. Like, it is so good. Ooh. Tingling. This is so good, guys. Like, trust me, like, even with my acne and my acne scars, the only reason why my skin actually, reflects light or, aka glass skin, is because I keep on exfoliating my skin with good products, and these Pentapill pads, it's like really gentle. This is one of the products that helps me, keeping that glass skin glow, So here's another of my secret. Also, I have a discount code with FCL, so if you want to have that extra discount, you can use my code Tiasha, TIASA. I use the rest of the product right here, like throughout my neck area, also on my ears, because you want your ears to look good as well for long term. Like, am I the only one who takes care of ears as well? Like, I'm really hygienic, behind my ears. So now I'm supposed to keep it for like 10 to 15 minutes max and then rinse it off. So yeah, I'm gonna be coming back to this again. Okay, so after exfoliating my skin, I'm gonna be using this face mask by Mixsoon. It's called the so it's milk pad. I thought it's a mask. So do I have to like put it like that? Got it. So it's the Swabbing protein pads. So I'm scooping the extra to put it on my neck and my bosom area. So now I'm gonna keep it for like a long time. So while they are on, I'm gonna do a little bit of house chores and then maybe come back here with you guys. It's going a little extra self-care Sunday. Coming back to you guys later. Okay. Guys, it's been a long time. Oh my gosh, look at that glow. If I had a container to actually store them, then I would have used only one. By the way, guys, have you noticed that my mood like literally shifted? Start your self-care journey, guys. It will heal you inside. The river. Anyway, so I'm gonna use this on my legs as my... It has a lot of product, guys. Gosh, I'm so guilty. I'm feeling so guilty. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna wash my hands. I love this subtle glow. I don't know if my camera is catching it or not, but oh my gosh. I'm really loving Mixsoon products. Trust me, guys, it's not oily. Like, I can I don't have to put any moisturizer. So anyway, so now I'm going ahead with this serum by Numbuzin. It's called the number 3 Skin Softening Serum. I have been a major fan of this product. I have been using this product since like, I don't know, 3 years. So what it does, it gently exfoliates your skin and also, brings that supple skin from within. Since my skin is like too hydrated, so I'm gonna skip the moisturizer because you can literally see that hydration. Fast forward to sunscreen only. Not liking my matte lip. Let's put some lip balm on. It's by the Rhode Peptide Lip Treatment. Okay. So now I'm gonna let it settle down a bit and then apply my sunscreen. You guys saw the mode I started this video with, and now look at my mode. See, my skin does not feel sticky at all. Like, go ahead with the final step of my skincare routine is sunscreen. It's called the Rice and Probiotics sunscreen. I mean, the only sunscreen that is going to brighten up your skin as well as protect your skin. It's a tad bit expensive, but if you have like dry skin type, this is your sunscreen, guys. Ooh. No matter how amazing products you use in your skincare routine, if you skip your sunscreen, like none of your skincare products are going to work. Like, you have to be like super consistent with your sunscreen application. Like, if you're outdoor, then you have to reapply your sunscreen every 2 hours to protect your skin from the sun damage and the tanning. So if you exfoliate your skin often, that means like you have like baby new soft supple skin on front. So if you don't actually protect it from the sun, it's gonna go bad. Oh guys, like, I am loving my skin so much. I mean, trust me, this is my usual skincare routine. My skin never looked this good. The only thing I did differently in my skincare routine is that using this Mixun protein pads, I am legit shocked. All of the product links are going to be in my description below. You guys can check it out. But please, definitely you guys should try this Mixun protein pads. I mean, so yeah, this was my morning skincare routine with you guys. Thank you if you made this far. I love you so much. Do leave a comment down below if you enjoy this kind of like slow and therapeutic, long form video content. Do let me know so I know that I should, keep doing this more and more. I love you guys. Stay tuned, and also don't forget to hit me follow on my Instagram channel as well. I'm super active on my Instagram. I just did my morning skincare routine and I am healed from within. So yeah, do love yourself, do take care of yourself, give time and effort to yourself, to your health, to your skin, to your mental health, and trust me, you're gonna be sorted. I love you. Bye bye.